Are your eating habits silently sabotaging your health? Let's uncover 5 mindful practices to transform your relationship with food for good. Mindful eating isn't just a trendy buzzword, it's a powerful way to improve your health, prevent overeating, and truly enjoy the food you consume. It's about paying attention to your body's needs and learning how to respond to hunger and fullness cues appropriately. These 5 habits will help you adopt a healthier lifestyle starting today. Eat slowly and savor each bite. In our fast-paced world, most people eat on the go or rush through meals. However, eating too quickly can lead to overeating and digestion problems. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to realize that your stomach is full, so if you eat too fast, you might consume more than your body needs. Basically, instead, focus on eating slowly, take smaller bites, chew your food thoroughly, and put your utensils down between bites. This practice allows you to savor every flavor and texture of your meal. Eating slowly also aids digestion, as chewing properly breaks down food before it reaches your stomach. Not only will this help you avoid bloating and discomfort, but it will also enhance your appreciation for your food. Practice portion control. One of the biggest challenges in maintaining a healthy diet is managing portion sizes. It's easy to overserve yourself, especially when eating out or at buffets where portions are often oversized. However, consuming large portions can lead to weight gain and other health issues over time. A simple solution is to use smaller plates and bowls. This creates the illusion of a full plate while actually reducing the quantity of food you eat. Additionally, start by serving yourself smaller portions and go back for seconds only if you're still hungry. Another trick is to divide your plate into sections, half for vegetables, a quarter for protein, and a quarter for whole grains. This balance ensures you're getting all the nutrients your body needs without overindulging. Avoid distractions while eating. How many times have you eaten in front of the TV or scrolled through your phone during meals? These distractions can prevent you from fully enjoying your food and recognizing when you're full. When you're distracted, you're more likely to overeat because you're not paying attention to your body's hunger signals. To practice mindful eating, create a calm environment during meals. Turn off the TV, put your phone aside, and focus solely on your food. Pay attention to the colors, smells, textures, and flavors. This habit not only helps you enjoy your meal, but also makes it easier to notice when you're satisfied, preventing unnecessary overeating. Stay hydrated. Sometimes your body confuses thirst with hunger. If you find yourself reaching for a snack, ask yourself, am I truly hungry or could I be thirsty? Drinking a glass of water before meals can help you determine whether you're actually hungry. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If plain water feels boring, add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or fresh mint for flavor. Proper hydration also supports digestion, boosts energy, and helps maintain healthy skin. Listen to your body. Your body is a remarkable system that knows when it's hungry and when it's full, but modern life often makes it hard to hear those signals. Emotional eating, stress, and boredom can trick you into eating even when you don't need to. To break this cycle, start tuning into your hunger cues. Before eating, ask yourself if you're truly hungry or if you're eating out of habit or emotion. Use a hunger scale from 1 to 10, 1 being starving and 10 being completely full. Aim to eat when you're around a 3 or 4, moderately hungry, and stop when you're at a 7, comfortably full. When you feel the urge to eat out of boredom or stress, try a different activity instead. Go for a walk, call a friend, or practice deep breathing. Over time, this awareness will help you build a healthier relationship with food. Why mindful eating matters. Mindful eating isn't about dieting or restricting yourself. It's about creating a positive, sustainable approach to food. By practicing these habits, you'll not only improve your physical health, but also your mental well-being. You'll learn to enjoy your meals, prevent overeating, and feel more in control of your eating patterns. Remember, change takes time. Start by adopting one habit at a time and gradually build them into your routine. Small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements in your health over the long term. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this.